I've been an SAP trainer for over a decade, and I've taught materials management to folks at large companies all over North America, Europe, and Australia. And now they use this robust module to scale their business and reach new markets. Let's get going so you can start to be more effective in SAP materials management today. If you want to better understand the processes and transactions in the SAP Materials Management module, this course is for you. Because we'll look at materials management processes, transactions, and reports, it's important to understand the fundamentals covered in my previous course, SAP ERP Essential Training. Generally understanding how SAP S/4HANA works will help you get the most from this course. Basic SAP navigation and reporting skills will ensure you know what's happening on the screen and ensure you get the most out of your time spent. The transactions and reports demonstrated in this course are done in the GUI of SAP S/4HANA 2020. The Materials Management module, often abbreviated as MM, is the SAP Logistics module that ensures the right materials in the right quantity are available at the right time and place for a company. Materials management tracks the material journey from manufacturer all the way to customer. There are 4 key components of the materials management module to help accomplish this. First is master data. As in other SAP modules, accurate master data is required to drive all other transactional processes. Master data includes material master records, which must be set up before materials can be purchased externally. Another key master data element are supplier records that have all the physical and financial information about a vendor that a company can buy from. The second component of the module is purchasing. Purchasing includes activities like getting quotes from vendors, creating purchase requisitions, and creating formal requests for goods or services called purchase orders. The third component of materials management is inventory management. Inventory management deals with materials once they have been received. Important inventory management functions include goods receipts, which records delivery of outside goods, and stock transfers, which move materials from one storage location to another. Finally, the fourth major component of is physical inventory. Physical inventory determines if inventory quantities in the system are correct and flags any discrepancies. Common transactions in physical inventory are entering inventory counts and posting any inventory differences. The key benefit of materials management is an efficient supply chain that helps us increase productivity and reduce costs by handling all our materials efficiently. All our base information about materials and suppliers is considered master data. And we need accurate master data for materials management transactions to work effectively in SAP. Let's examine the different types of master data in the module. There are 4 master data components we rely upon in materials management. They are the material master, business partners, source lists, and purchasing information records. First, we'll look at material master records. Material masters are the sole information source about materials that are procured, produced, stored, or sold at an organization. This master data element is crucial as it impacts business processes across purchasing, production, inventory management, distribution, accounting, and more. Material masters must be created for goods that are purchased externally. S/4HANA has many material types available, but in materials management, there are a few we use most frequently. First, raw materials are only purchased externally and then processed in-house. Next, semi-finished products are either purchased externally or manufactured in-house. They are then processed further to add value and turn them into a finished good to be sold. Finally, trading goods are products that are bought externally and then sold to customers without needing to add value. Material masters for trading goods include both purchasing and sales information. Next, we'll look at business partner master data. Purchasing functions in materials management are not possible unless we have accurate supplier information in our system. In SAP S/4HANA, supplier data is entered and maintained in business partner records. Two of the most important business partner roles that deal with purchasing are suppliers and suppliers for financial accounting. Supplier records house address, payment, tax, and legal data and are extended to the necessary purchasing organizations. The next master data component we'll look at are source lists. Source lists are our complete lists of suppliers who have specific material at a specific time available for purchase. Finally, we have purchasing information records. Purchasing information records capture the relationship between a material, a supplier, and the price at a certain time. Often called PIRs, these records are very useful for purchasing organizations when deciding where to buy a material from. Each of these master data components are critical to effective logistics transactions in materials management. Not only that, master data in the MM module is relied on in business processes across SAP S/4HANA.